Alright, so this is the end of the project. You spent less than you made. So now you go through and answer these questions. Make sure you answer all of them. I put how many you should put. So like the first one, slide 20. What are 3 things you learned doing this project? So what are 3 things that you yourself learned about, the future, financing? What are 3 things you would take from this? And you just click on like the number 1 and you can type your answer in, then go to number 2, type your answer, and so forth. The next slide. What are 3 ways you can attend college without taking out student loans? So what are 3 ways you can go to college without having to take out a student loan? So if you can't figure out 3 things, Google it. Slide 22. What are 3 things that you might do now that can affect your future in a negative way? So what's something that you might do now that could ruin your future, affect it in a negative way? So what are 3 things that could happen right now that could affect your future in a bad way? Okay, if you're not sure, talk with some friends. Maybe parents could help you answer that. Slide 23, what are 3 things that you might do now that can affect your future in a positive way? So what are 3 things you can do today, this year, next year that will affect you in a positive way in the future? And that should be it. So once you submit those, you go ahead and hit submit, and that will turn your project into me, and I'll grade it. So that is slides 20, 21, 22, and 23. So good job. We still have one more project after this.